Hey folks, it's Dane at Jonah Guitars, and I'm in the middle of thicknessing the sides for my next build, Splated maple, back and sides, and OM style. And this one is at about 2.7, 2.65, something like that, millimeters, or about 115 thousandths. I've got another one right here that's probably not in the camera, and I'll turn that around and I'm going to put it through a couple more times, get it down to this thickness. Now, I think I'm going to take it down to about 2.25 millimeters, which is about 90 thousandths. This seems like it's a little thick yet. I'm more used to flopping tops around to see how they feel, but this just still seems a little thick to me. So we're going to go down a little bit more on the other one, then I'll catch up to the one I just had in my hand. All right, so now we're going to have all the noise come on. I've got this dust collector, which is the switch is behind the camera. I've got this dust collector. Just shoe lacquer thinner in between the tape and it just pops right off. It's a lot better than tweaking the material to where you might end up with it splitting. That feels quite a bit more flexible. Thing is, you don't want to get it too far down because you do have to do a bit of sanding on the sides to blend everything in with the binding and all that. And if you go too thin, then you're going to end up with possibly, yeah. So I've got 2.25 millimeters here, which is, let me change this to thousandths. I think that's going to be around 90. Yeah, 91. 90 thousandths. Flip it over here. I'm sorry, I'm not in the camera, but yeah, so 91 thousandths there, and it'll vary. This end, for whatever reason, is around 85, 92 on that side. So 5,000. Oh, yeah. Now this side now is 90. I don't know what I was reading before. Okay, and 89. 89. So yeah, I'm going to put this other piece back on the board, and we'll get that. You can see how much more flexible that one is without any effort, and it's pretty flexible. But yeah, we're going to go down that other extra 10 thousandths, and I'll bring you back in. I'm going to set up the bender today and try to put this all in the same video.